Peace, power, and prosperity, family. This is Amir, the Chicago crypto hustler, Bitcoin block bully, coming to you once again. Family, what's going on out there? As some may know, well, I'm pretty sure a majority know, Bitcoin Cash forking off today, or having a hard fork, or not having a hard fork. Bitcoin Cash is supposedly being forked in the next 10 minutes. So all trading will be halted. Remember that all trading will be halted. For those that want to get in on the hard fork, you would have to then have had Bitcoin on Bitcoin Cash on one of the many exchanges that support the Bitcoin Cash hard fork. Me myself, I have Bitcoin Cash on Binance, which is what I'm looking at now. We're watching the price action on Binance actually. As you can see, we've been bouncing in between these two levels, which is what, 440, 442, and 460. We've got 3 touch points on the 460, as you can see. Well, really, 1, 2, really more than 3. Really got about 6, because for every touch we got a reverse pattern. If you can see the candlesticks. So let me see, what time is it? It's 10:30 now. The snapshot and the trading will be halted at 10:40. So you got about 10 minutes left, either to get in or get out. I don't know what everyone's is another drop XRP. Right now I'm looking at the chat box on Trading View. IBM, blah 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 blah, going quick too. Oh, they're talking about some stuff over there. But like I said, what we're watching right now is Bitcoin Cash. For those that did not see my live feed yesterday, or woke up to a sea of red in their USD value as well as their BTC values down, we had I guess a kind of a crash yesterday. Let me see, we got some support right here. Let me blow this up a little bit. We do seem to be finding. We're looking at a 1-minute chart. This is 1 minute. We're looking at 1 minute worth of price action right now. We're trading at $450. We got about 10 minutes left, 9 minutes now. As you can see, price action is coming in, money's coming in. As you watch the candlestick grow, see that? The price action every minute, every minute. What we're watching right now is a battle between the bulls and the bears. You have those that want to get in. Let me tell you this, everyone is buying it right now is not trying to get in on this hard fork. Some of them just want to get in, get the pumping cash out from a trader's point of view. Like I tell y'all all the time, you have investors, you have traders, and you got people that are in here just because they believe in the whole concept of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, really are hodling their coins, not really worried about price action. So let's see. Let's see how we looking on, let's look at an hour chart and see what this looks like. There we go. Slow this down a tad bit. Okay. Let's see, 4 hours. And welcome to anyone that's tuning in right now. Welcome to anybody that's tuning in right now. As y'all know, when I'm going live and I'm actually doing the chart, I can't see your comments at the exact same time. So let me do this. Let me do this so I can follow along in case anybody is watching. I don't know who's watching, if anybody, but let me do this so I can follow along just in case somebody is. Let me follow this on my other laptop. Volume at what we're trading at right now, $448, family. 448. 448 right now. Let me see, you got overhead resistance, as you can see right here, indicated by this purple line. That is 461. Now, to be 100% honest and transparent, as you can see, I got my fib lines. Well, this is an old fib. I need to extend it actually. But ironically enough, we're really getting topped out. If you can see right there at that 61.8, which is $465. And if I place a line of support or resistance right there, you can see where it's intertwining with these top 2 candlesticks right here. We were able to wick through, but the bodies got knocked out right there. So let me see where we at right now. 450, 449. Break this down. 14, 15, 5 minutes. Let's see what the rest of the cryptocurrency market has to offer real quick. Also, we got 187. This might be wrong. Right now it says 187. Let's see when we refresh. Man, 183. 183. Let me get over here so I can see if we got any comments coming through, any type of questions or anything. Why is this thing not loading? Hold on. There we go. That should get us up and running. Okay. Let me get this right. Give me 1 second, family. I'm trying to get it so I can follow along. Man, look at Bitcoin, $5,500. I don't know if anyone has been watching my show for any amount of time within the past. Everyone knows I've been saying Bitcoin was going to the downside. If I'm about to go find some old videos where I specifically showed you Bitcoin. In fact, let me see if I can find it real quick. Let me see if I can find this real quick. Yep, here we go, right here. Is this? No, this ain't it. Hold on. That ain't it. That ain't it. Which one was I looking at? Was it BTC versus USD on Coinbase? Let me see. Let me see. Which one was it? Ah, here we go. This might be the correct one that I did the analysis on. Let's see. Yep, here it is right here, family. Here it is right here. So what we're looking at right now, right? And look what happened. Exactly. This shit crazy. Hey, look. So hold on. Let me make sure. Let me see if I got any views, anybody following along. Let's see. Because this right here, what I want to show y'all. This is, I made this chart not too long ago, right? And what this is Bitcoin upside down right now. Oh, peace. Funny, how we doing out there? Binance should really have titles for assets. Thanks, mate. No problem. Remember looking BCC up and got BitConnect instead. Oh yeah, right. My apologies for the my apologies, family. That's because I'm on so used to using what's happening? Hold on. Let me go back to that inverse. Here we go. I'm so used to looking at Binance that it's BCC on Binance. We got 5 minutes left in the hard fork. 5 minutes left for the before the snapshot is taken in the hard fork. All trading will stop. All trading will stop. Hey, Black Friday sales. I swear to God, bro. I swear. Remember looking all right. So what y'all looking at right now? This is me when I turned Bitcoin upside down. I don't know if any of y'all remember this. This is when I turned Bitcoin upside down, right? And what did I say? When we look at Bitcoin in the correct way, let me see. Let's see. Okay. So this is Bitcoin. This what I always said that we seen is a descending triangle, and a descending triangle is a bearish formation. I've always said this. Everyone's like, "No, Bitcoin's going to the moon." It's when it closes up, when it gets tight. And I'm like, how? I'm like, if you do any type of TA and you research the technical analysis that you're doing, if you look up a descending triangle and an ascending triangle, they're two totally different formations that give you two totally different outcomes. A descending triangle gives you a bearish outcome, meaning a downtrend is sure to come. A ascending triangle gives you an uptrend. It's that simple. So when I turn this around for people, let me see. Let me see if I can get to. There we go. There we go. So what we're looking at right now, this is Bitcoin turned upside down. Remember, what's it making? It's making, remember, this is Bitcoin turned upside down. So what we're looking at is a ascending triangle. And look what it gave us. It gave us our shoot up, because when an ascending triangle gets closed in, it breaks to the upside. But remember, this is reversed upside down. So what happened? The descending triangle broke to the downside. What it's supposed to do. It's a descending triangle. I didn't get where all the confusion was at with thinking this thing was going to shoot to the upside and go to 8, 9, 10,000. Me personally, this is just me, family. I don't go with what the crowd says. I don't go with what everybody else talks about. Me personally, I never knew why everyone was saying, damn, man, it came down and hit our first level of support. What was that? 55.60. Got stopped out. Now we got a new low. We have a new low about right here. What's that? 54.52. What did I put that at? That's 50. What was our low? The low was 51.88. God damn, $5,100 for Bitcoin. That's damn near four. We're getting close to the $4,000 ranges, family. Man, hey. For anyone that's out there viewing right now, Brother Martinez and Inaudible Gamer, Zigzagger, what's going on? Brother Winston. Let me see. Did I see Brother Kennedy in here? I'm not 100% sure. Let me see. I don't know if I see Brother Kennedy. Let's see. Bitcoin Cash. Where we at? Okay, that's Coinbase. Let's look at BCC on Tether. Where we at? 442. 442 is not looking good for Bitcoin Cash as far as, you know, people buying it to pump it up. Not looking good at all. Not looking good at all. Let me see. 443. And this is the last minute right now. We got 1 minute left before all trading halts. 446, 444. That'd be crazy if it got stopped out at 444, wouldn't it, family? That'd be crazy. Let's see where we're going to stop at. I know y'all watching the price action with me. 4448. Let's get that 4448 going. Let's see where we're going to get stopped out at. We got 1 minute left, literally 1 minute left before this thing clocks out. We got 1 minute left before this thing clocks out. And we're going to hit that 444. Watch what I tell y'all. That's going to be our lock-in price, 444. Let's see. Let's see if we can get, I mean, no matter what, we drawn off the law of 44, period. 44644. Let's see what's going on. 450. Y'all know this shit can shoot like sporadically and go crazy real quick within these last couple of seconds and minutes. If it wanted to. There's enough price action came in. 451, 450. A lot of volatility. A lot of volatility. But the thing that I'm more so looking at is, hold on. Look at the volume bars. Look at the volume bars. Negative momentum on the MACD, going down, trending on the did we get locked out at 448? Yep. Yep, 448, family. That's the lock-in price. Look at the percentage, down 4.04%. 4.04%. Locked in at 448, family. That's it. That's it. All trading halted with Bitcoin Cash as of right now. What you expecting for fork? Michael Medina. Brother Medina, can you clarify your question? What you expecting for? I'm not understanding your question, Brother Medina. If you can, please verify it for me. I'll try to answer it for you. So 448, 7, 8. That'd be 16, that'd be 17. So check this out, right? Y'all know how I am with the numbers. For those that may be new to this channel, the hard fork just happened, brother. The hard fork just happened. We're locked in at 448.70. This is the price we're locked in at. The hard fork right now is, well, what's going on right now is each exchange market is taking a snapshot of your total balance in Bitcoin Cash. That's what's going on right now. We're taking a snapshot of the balances of Bitcoin Cash. And you're going to get an equal amount of whichever fork they decide to go with. So that's what's going on right now. Now, what I was saying, for anyone that knows, knows my background with numerology and whatnot, you see the 444 here, right? We got 4, 4, and then we got really 44, 44. We got 8 and 9, which equals the 17, which 7 and 1 is 8, which 8 is 44 also. So that's Bitcoin Cash, family. Let's get on with the rest of this market now. Let's see what's going on out there. Who in the okay. This is what I want to say. This is what I wanted to say. So since we see this big dramatic drop in Bitcoin, right? Remember, every other dollar value is dictated by the price of Bitcoin. No problem, brother Eric, no problem. So everyone's USD value is dictated by the price of Bitcoin, not necessarily how much Bitcoin it costs to purchase said coin. So when we look at the price of Bitcoin dropping down to 5,500, right? Let's say you had a coin that may have only dropped, we'll say 5 Satoshi, 5 sats, right? In fact, let me see if I can find somebody that really didn't take that much of a hit. Let's see. Let's look at some of these lower cap coins. Let's look at Key versus Bitcoin. Where we at? 91 sats right now. All right. Just for instance, Self-Key. Let me see. This is a day chart. So yesterday, Self-Key was trading at, we'll say at the highest, 104 sats. Right? We was the highest at 104 sats. In fact, let me see. Let me make sure. Yeah, the high was 104. The low was 92. Right now, the low 86. Right now, trading at 91. So when we look at this, well, what do we lose? Almost what, 28 sats? That was almost a 28 sat loss. Let's see. Blow this up a little bit. Let's see. Let me see. Let's check this out real quick. Let's see what type of loss we have as far as sats go. Well, Satoshis. For those that may not know what sats are, they're Satoshis. So we have a total loss from yesterday's high. I mean, the day before yesterday. What, 18 sats? A loss of 17.17%. Let's see. Let's see if we got the same amount. So check that out. Y'all see the big difference? You lost double the amount of USD value that you did in Satoshi. You only lost 17% Satoshi value. You lost 30% USD value. Why is that? That's because of the price of Bitcoin itself. As Bitcoin, think of it like this, family. Think of it like this. Either you want Bitcoin or you want USD. For those that may be long on Bitcoin, your main focus should be accumulating more Bitcoin, especially right now while it's this low. You know how many people are probably going to come in and buy whole Bitcoins while it's 55, 56, 50, $100? You know how many people are coming in buying whole bits now? So when we look at the, how do I put it? Let me think. Okay, think of it like this. Let's just say you bought in on a coin at 0.5 BTC. Bitcoin, we know, dropped what, $2,000, $1,000, something like that, whatever the case may be, a couple $100. Let's just say that coin that you bought at 0.5 BTC went up to 0.6 BTC, right? Let's just say it went up to 0.6 BTC, but because of the price of Bitcoin itself has dropped, you're going to look at your USD value and be in the negative. You'll be in the rear. In fact, let me see if I can, let's see. What we down right now? We're down 7.42%. So that would mean 7.42. Okay. What's that? What number is that? What is that? That's marked as number 69. Let me see. Usually I do the math. I just want to see something real quick. Look at that. Look at that market, family. I didn't even have to go all the way to that. Look at the bad dang market. It's what I'll be trying to tell y'all. So while yeah, USD is dropping right now, look how everything is trading versus Bitcoin. XRP up 8.73%. But hold on. Once you're just looking at USD and wait, what? Hold on, only 6.66. Hold on, look at all this red. Look at all this red. Red. Ontology 0.44 law. All this red. Now, that's USD. Remember, the majority of you that are trading on these platforms are not trading against USD. You are trading against BTC, right? Oh, my fault, fam. I didn't know I had. I love when it's down. What's the market cap? Market cap right now is 183. Market cap 183. Remember, when you're trading on these platforms, unless you're trading against USDT or USD, you're trading against Bitcoin. So what you should be looking at is Bitcoin. You should not be looking at USD, family. I don't know how. I've been saying this for too long, and I'll show you all the proof is in the pudding. Let's look at this market again. Hey, green fields, green pastures. Look at that. Look at the first. We'll just look at the first, damn it, up to the first 10 coins. Look at that. Look at that. All green, other than Bitcoin. Well, even Bitcoin because it's evened out. So look at Ripple leading on up to Cardano. Look at it. Ripple's up 8.73% in BTC, but if you look at it in USD, you're only up 0.6%. Really nothing. But you've accumulated 8.7% more BTC in the last 24 hours. Do y'all get what I'm trying to say here now? Do y'all get what I'm trying to spread here and get y'all to comprehend and understand how you really should be playing the market? For those that may be long on Bitcoin, remember, everyone's not long on Bitcoin. Everyone's not long. I can't expect everyone. You know what I mean? I can't expect everyone to. Hold on. You get Martinez. Brother Cruz, if that's you, I'm making you a moderator. Brother Cruz is a moderator. Brother Win. Y'all moderators. But anyways, what I was saying was you have to be able to comprehend the difference between US. So if USD says you're down, I'm down. Let me get out the way. But you look at BTC, shit, you up. What you mean? I thought you wanted Bitcoin. And just what for everyone that's watching right now, how many of us are long on Bitcoin and just want Bitcoin, want more Bitcoin? Now, how many of us don't comprehend that and thought we're just gonna hold Bitcoin and wait till because you know how many people, let me tell you this. Instead of doing what I was trying to get people to understand that I was doing, which is accumulating while I was moving sideways, not just buying Bitcoin and sitting in Bitcoin waiting for it to go from 62, 6,300 and shoot up to 70. And a lot of people bought in on Bitcoin when it was 60 something. A lot of people bought it thinking, okay, it's stable right now. I can just buy it and sit in it. When it goes up, I can cash it out to my Federal Reserve note. I told people that's, in my opinion, from a trader's point of view, that wasn't a smart idea. While Bitcoin's moving sideways, the best thing you can do is how do you do that? By trading in and out of alts. I mean, look at Ripple right now. You'd be up 8.7% in BTC. While BTC is only $55, $52, $53, $100. Like, what more could y'all ask for? Think about it like this. Dr. Boyce Watkins had people buying Bitcoin. It was $10,000, $16,000, $18,000. You know what I mean? Now it's 5,000 and he's not talking about it no more. No one's talking about it. But the thing about it is when it goes up, everybody wants to talk about it and get it. If Bitcoin shot to $8,000 right now, everybody will be putting their money over there trying to get it. Everyone will be putting their money in people. I mean, it's going to the moon. It's shooting off. We too attracted to the green candlesticks and the ones you should be looking at are the red candlesticks. But real quick, let's just run through the top 20. I'm going to run through the top 20. I'm going to do it in USD value, though, just because everyone doesn't really comprehend BTC. So I want to make it as simple as possible. But just remember, when we see red, there's a duality. There is another side to this red, which is the mirror. It's green. You look at it and it reverses. So anyways, coming in number one. No, first and foremost, let me reintroduce myself. Anyone this show. Power of Prosperity family. My name is Amir, the Chicago crypto hustler, Bitcoin block bully. I want to thank y'all for joining me on this. Well, usually I do the early rising show, Coffee and Crypto. I was up all night, didn't wake up, woke up to snow everywhere, so I had to get up, shovel the driveway, shovel the walkway. Wasn't expecting it. I don't think the news said anything about it. I think we were supposed to and it ended up a whole lot more. But I was supposed to go live, didn't. I am going live now just to bring the information. So what we're looking at right now, cryptocurrencies, over 2,080 different cryptos. We got over 15,734 different markets. Now, market cap, which is how much money is in cryptocurrency right now. Now, this is one thing we got to comprehend. Coin market cap does not follow every 181. We losing we losing money by the second. We were just at 187. I refreshed it. We went to 183. I refreshed it again. Now we at 181. Man. And I totally lost my train in the thought doing that. So, what the hell was I talking about? Well, anyway, we got a market cap off. That's what I was saying. The market cap is supposed to reflect. Remember, they're looking at 2,080 different cryptos. What I'm going to tell you is that there are more than 2,080. Coin market cap does not honor or does not chart or keep the statistics of every single cryptocurrency that has been created. It doesn't. So when we look at this 181, add on a couple of dollars to that. It's a little bit higher than 181 overall. But the majority of that this platform follows, 2,080 of them, and at a market cap is $181,289,980,610. We get a 24-hour volume of $3,732,018,144. BTC dominant, 52.8%. Coming in at number one, Big Bank Hank, trading at $5,513, down 7.67%. Coming in at number two, we got Ripple trading at 46 cents, down 0.1%. Damn, wasn't Ripple just up 0.6%? Crazy volatility. Coming in at number three, Ethereum. Oh my God, Ethereum's $176, down 5.9%, 6%. You might as well say. Coming in at number four, we got Bitcoin Cash trading at $413. We know it's $448 on Binance. See? Yep, locked in price $448.70. Stellar Lumis coming in 22 cents. down 3.5%. EOS is $4.52, down 3.6%. Litecoin at $42. Oh my man! For anyone that's been in cryptocurrency longer than a year, do y'all remember when people was rushing to buy Litecoin when it was $100? I'm talking about rushing to get in on Litecoin when it was merely $100. Now it's $42.54, down 6%. Coming in at number 8, we got Tether, which, man, 97 cents. You gotta be careful. You have to be careful dealing with these stable coins. Those small percentages can knock chunks out of you. I did an example last night on the show where I showed people. Let's just say someone has $1 million account. In fact, let's look at let's look at USDT versus USD. Double tweets the bottom. We came down. We did reach. Right now we're down. Let's see. So versus the dollar, God, man, that right there would hurt somebody. So it's down. We came down, and that's just the body closing. 3.52% on USD, right? Let's see. Let's see what a. Let's see what $1 million account. Oh, I'm putting 100 million. All right, so let's see. So if you had $1 million in USD, right, and you're thinking that it's stable, it's going to stay at $1 million, shit, with that dip, it brought you down to $964,800. That's a hell of a hit. From $1 million, we just lost, what's that? For 36,000 $36,000 lost, roughly. Nah, it would actually be $35,200. That would be the actual price that you lost. $35,200 just from holding it in USDT, and the USDT. That's a hell of a loss. One hell of a loss. So you got to be careful where you place your money as far as these stable coins go. Tether at 97 cents, that's not good. Not good at all. I mean, smaller capitals, you're not going to see that much of a hit, but for somebody that's trading with a large amount of capital, they're going to feel that. Coming in at number 9, we got Cardano trading at 6 cents, down 7.6%. Coming in at number 10, we got Monero trading at 80. Holy damn, $86 for Monero? Damn. Down 8%. Family, this is what I am going to tell each and every person that's watching this live stream right now. Oh, first and foremost, if y'all can, please smash the like button. Please smash the like button. It does help me out a bit. But what I want to tell you is that when this thing rubber bands and comes back around, oh man, some of these prices you're looking at right now, look at Monero for $86 for Monero. Not bad. Nah, not bad at all. Tron right now at 1 cent, down 6%. IOTA at 41 cents, down 5%. Dash is at $133, down 9%. Binance Coin down to $8, down 7.5%. Definitely a damn good snap. Coming in at number, excuse me, family. Coming in at number 15, we got Neo trading at $12.78, down 6.31%. Let me see. I don't even know if I got. For some reason, it's not showing me all of my comments. I don't know if I got people commenting, if I don't have people. Okay, there we go. You said losing sound? Tron needs the rubber band. Hey, you say I'm losing? Okay. All right. Where do we leave off at? Oh, Neo, what? $12. Lean right now at 9 cents, down 4%. Ethereum Classic at $7.73, down 10%. Pesos, holy, those are the $1.09. Dang, super. Still may retrace. Vcash at $107, down 7.3%. Coming in last but not least, which is knocked out not only VeChain, but also Maker for the number 20 spot. Second day in a row because it was here yesterday. In fact, I forgot to post that. I don't know if y'all pay attention to this. I probably ain't even bring it to y'all attention. I'll see Ripple knocked Ethereum out the spot. Look at the market cap. Got 18.5. Ethereum only got 18.2. Ripple coming in at the number 2 slot right now on top of Ethereum. And then coming in the number 20 spot, we got Bitcoin Gold knocking out everybody else right here. So that's your top 20 family. Let's see if we can find out who's running right now, if anybody. Let's see. God, 285%. What? I got and I did grab some mana up. I synced it. I'm like, hold on, mana might do something. I grabbed some of that. Yeah, let me see what this is. NASDAQ coin. Never heard of this, but it's up 285%. TRX rubber band, it might get me that crypto Lambo. My man's. Let's see, trading at $4.87. Look at the 24-hour volume, family. 1.3 million came into this coin over the last 24 hours. Rank number 63. 63 is 9 number of completion. The thing been out since when? August 22nd of 2018. Look at that calmness. Look at started inching up. Let me see. What were we back here? Hold on. Let me refresh because I didn't mean to do that. Yeah, I'm Brother Martinez. I've never heard of it. I'm new to it myself. Let me see. We were 9 cents in September. Let me see. October, we were 8 cents. And then we started growing. Look at that. 31, 35, 50, 70, 90. And then it just, man, I'm talking about, what was this? November 14th? Took off. Took the hell off. Let me see what market this thing is in. Where can we find NASDAQ coin? Watch it be on one of them funny markets. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, it's gonna be on Hubby, BTC. Let me name a couple of them. Mercantile. Yeah, I know this is ERT. Let's see. I may be way off. There goes Mercatox. I told y'all. I hit one. These other ones I never really heard of. Crex24, BTC Alpha. I'm gonna have to check out some of these other platforms, man. Over 1.2 million came in through Crex24 though. How much bread they got over here in this exchange? 2.2 million. Wait, what? That means half of the total. Pay attention to this, family. Half of the total market cap of this whole exchange. God damn, went to NASDAQ coin. If I'm hold on, I might be looking at it wrong. No, I'm not. The total market cap of this whole exchange market right now is 2.2 million. NASDAQ coin got 1.2 million. That's their half of their whole market cap. How the hell do people even catch those? It just comes with you being well. Okay, let me not say that. Some of it may be luck for some people, and then some people you got like, okay, let's just say now NASDAQ coin. I never heard of it. Didn't know when it was released. None of that. But for anyone that may have been able to catch, let's see. Man, look at that. For anyone that may have been watching it, you know, they may have, because best believe that there's people that pay attention to a majority of these coins, even though we miss them. A group of a few people, probably. Exactly. Just a few people. You know, somebody might have been watching price action, like, oh, okay, well, this motherfucker just went from 8 cents to 20 cents. Let me, you know, catch it on the rebound, get in, and they just might have lucked up. This right here, this pump right here, this right here, anyone that was in this coin could not have seen this. There's no technical analysis that could have told you this shit was going from, what is this down here? $1 to $4, damn near $5. There's no TA in the world that could have told you that. So if anyone's saying that, you can miss me with that. Now you can say more educated. I beg people spending hours on Bitcoin price. Oh, bet. Okay. That's true in a sense. But shit like this, there's no TA that can tell you this was gonna do this. There's no oscillator. There's nothing that could have told you this right here was coming. Now, could you have been like, okay, we're in a nice uptrend. We're seeing nice. Let's break it up. So, I mean, when you really look at it, shit, it's been in a very nice uptrend. If anyone would have been able to catch it right around here, what is this? November 3rd, right? If they were watching this, look at the crossover. The 7-day moving average crossed over that 14-day moving average. And let's see. That was it. That was it right there, I think. That was the one. This crossover right here is the one that did it. When we converged right here, everyone tried the trifecta right here, the 7, what is it? Nah, 7-day moving average. Yeah, 7, the 21, and the 100-day moving average all met right here. And then they went their separate ways. Price action rolled with the 7-day moving average. You can see that we came down and we tested the 21-day, used it as some nice support, very nice support. Broke right here, was able to get our gains back. Let's see. Yeah, this is total. I mean, look at the amount of volume that came in. God. Yeah, that's Nasdaq coin, family. I agree with you. No way to predict Nasdaq coin was gonna pop like that. Right. Yeah, there's no Fibonacci, there's no Elliott wave, there's no RSI, there's no MACD, none of that could have told you that this coin was gonna do that. None of it. So this right here, when people catch things like this, in my opinion, it's luck. It's luck. Let me see. With that being said, are there any coins that anyone wants me to take a look at real quick? I just wanted to come live real quick and bring this to the family, let y'all know what was going on about the hard fork. In fact, hold on. Let's do this. Let's look and see what's going on with this hard fork in the rule. So, see. For the Binance, real quick. That way we know what to expect. Oh, yeah, I was looking at jewels. I don't know if y'all seen that. Looking at this Hi-Ho Gems and Crystal Shop right here. Man, look at that amethyst. Beautiful. I don't know anybody that's watching right now that may be into crystals, but I definitely am. Look at that. That's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful rock right there. This is located in Chicago. Let's see, what are pictures? Beautiful. I know this ain't got nothing to do with crypto, family. It has absolutely nothing to do with cryptocurrency. Beautiful, beautiful pieces. Anyways, let's get over to Binance. Can you look at PundiX? Also here, you'll get ABC and SV on Binance. No, in fact, you will. That's why I'm holding my Bitcoin Cash here right now is on Binance. I'll take a look at PundiX. PundiX is one of my long-term holds, just so everyone does know. I've been pushing PundiX. Brother Rashid, peace, power, and prosperity, my dude. What's going on? I've been not promoting. I have been following PundiX for what, Brother Martinez? Probably about 3, 4, 5. No, not even. It's longer than that. I've been following PundiX since before it came on the Binance exchange market, but it was only on Bitcoin and a couple of other decentralized exchanges. So let's see. Okay, further information regarding the upcoming Bitcoin Cash hard fork. Now, to support the upcoming Bitcoin Cash hard fork, Binance will take a snapshot of all cash balances at Unix time 15423 2018 2000. And I broke all this down in the numbers and showed y'all how this worked. Let me see. So they're taking it. Deposits and withdrawals will be suspended starting from the 15th at 3 p.m. Blah blah blah. Please leave sufficient time for deposits to be processed in full prior to this time. We will handle all technical requirements involved for all users holding Bitcoin Cash in their Binance accounts. The Bitcoin Cash hard fork may result in 2 different chains: Bitcoin Cash ABC and Bitcoin Cash SV. Binance will halt. Binance will halt trading in all existing Bitcoin Cash markets, including BCC versus BNB, BCC versus BTC, BTC versus ETH, and BCC versus USDT at 4:40 p.m., which is 10:40 a.m. Chicago time on the 15th of November, 2018, UTC. We will be prepared for the 2 potential scenarios. So they're going to break down what could happen in 2 different scenarios. Scenario 1, the Bitcoin Cash hard fork does not result in a second coin. Remember, this is where my wrench. You got a wrench, my brother. Brother Winston, you don't see your wrench? I mean, I can see it. I don't know. Can y'all see y'all own wrenches? Okay. In this scenario, Bitcoin will resume trading. Oh, okay. So this is what I was trying to tell people. The exact time of trading will be released in a separate announcement. Everyone, it's not guaranteed that there's going to be another coin from this. Some people are just taking a chance. That's why you didn't see the pump like that. If there was, I can pretty much say if there was a guarantee that you were going to get an extra coin out of this, the pump would have been a little bit greater than 448. I mean, look at it. We went up to damn near 600 when we first pumped. And then, I mean, shit crashed from then. You know what I mean? So let me see. Scenario number 2. The Bitcoin Cash hard fork results in a second coin being created. In this scenario, Binance will replace all Bitcoin Cash balances with BCH ABC and BCH SV, distributing each at a 1-to-1 ratio based on the aforementioned snapshots taken of Bitcoin Cash balances. We will make a separate announcement to notify users what the exact trading times will be for both BCH ABC and BCH SV. All BCC trading pairs will also be removed from the exchange. Y'all hear that, right? There isn't going to be any more Bitcoin Cash. There's not. You're either going to have, I mean, if they fork, if the fork, no, not if they fork, if the fork results in a second coin, let me say that. Because a fork doesn't always mean it's going to be a second coin. It's just another protocol. It's what or who determines what happens. I'm pretty sure that what are the two people's name that are behind? Oh, the hash. What is it? It's a way to determine which one is going. Okay, the mining power. You see, the mining power favors SV. I believe. I mean, me, I'm not 100% sure. As y'all already know, if I don't know something, I ain't got no problem with telling y'all I don't know. You know what I mean? Let's see. Let's see what type of information. The most contentious hard fork in Bitcoin Cash's 1-year history is happening Thursday. So contentious, in fact, that this one holds the potential to split the blockchain into two separate iterations of the Bitcoin Cash protocol. One led by developer group Bitcoin ABC, and the other Bitcoin SV, led by blockchain research company InChain. The process itself is expected to begin at 1640 UTC. 1640 UTC on November 15th. Whether one dominant chain will emerge will be determined in the hours that follow. As such, cryptocurrency observers and stakeholders worldwide are lined up to watch the looming Bitcoin Cash hard fork, a process that will pay out as miners aim their hashing power. Okay, here we go to the meat and potatoes. So the Bitcoin Cash hard fork is a process that will play out as miners aim their hashing power at one chain or another, as node operators update their software, and as investors and traders decide which coins to hold and which to potentially sell. Still, there's a lot up in the air at this point. Which implementation the majority of users will support, which implementation the majority of miners will support, and whether or not the main proponents of Bitcoin SV will act on threats to attack the opposing chain. With the situation still very much in flux, here's a guide for how to watch the action unfold. Twitter chatter. In all likelihood, a good portion of the cryptocurrency community will be watching and live tweeting how events unfold in the coming days. In commentary leading up to the Bitcoin Cash hard fork is any indication, the following individuals are likely to continue offering their insights on the keys on the situation as the situation unravels. Excuse me. Roger Ver is one of them. Yes. Team A. Yep, here it is. Team ABC is Roger Ver, Bitcoin angel investor since 2012 and early Bitcoin Cash proponent. Amaury Seket, lead developer for Bitcoin ABC. Ryan X. Charles, CEO of online payments Tool Money Button. Charles Pasia, lead developer of e-commerce platform Open Bazaar. And Jian Wu, co-founder of crypto mining giant Bitmain. Those are the ones that are behind Team ABC. Now we got Team SV. Brother Craig Wright, chief scientist of blockchain research and development firm InChain. Jimmy Nagian, InChain CEO. Calvin Irie, founder of cryptocurrency media publication and mining pool CoinGeek. Cobra Bitcoin, co-owner of Bitcoin information site bitcoin.org and discussion forum bitcoin.org. And Eli Ephraim, writer for crypto news publication CoinGeek and founder of Bitcoin Cash Australia. Observers. Marcel Peckman, who is the founder of Radar BTC, a Brazilian site that provides cryptocurrency analysis and commentary for traders in Portuguese. Peter Rizun, chief scientist for Bitcoin Unlimited. Alistair Milani, co-founder of cryptocurrency investment firm Alton Digital Currency Fund. In addition, it's worth highlighting the equally popular social media platform Reddit, which a lot of you may be familiar with. The main channel to watch for Bitcoin Cash related developments is r/r/BTC. Fork execution. Onlookers will also need some way of affirming that the hard fork has actually been executed. One platform, Fork Monitor, bring that up, will alert users once the hard fork goes live on the Bitcoin Cash blockchain. Once the hard fork is executed, Fork Monitor sponsor BitMEX stated that the exchange will feature settled prices for the Bitcoin ABC compatible blockchain and exclude the value of Bitcoin SV. Other exchanges haven't been so quick to take sides, especially given the ongoing threats of chain sabotage that may result in a prolonged struggle between the two Bitcoin Cash networks. Yet, many are hoping that a clear window or clear winner, excuse me, will be undeniable. If there's a split with any ambiguous, unclear winner where one side is slightly ahead of the other, that's a really bad situation because it creates tremendous confusion for people. Ryan X. Charles, CEO of Money Button, told CoinDesk, adding, Bitcoin Cash is already difficult enough to understand. How? Okay. The split would be a problem. Who got the nodes? Finally, the progression of the hard fork, once implemented, can be guided by watching the numerical estimates of the node distribution. Cash node indicates the proportional and geographical spread of computer servers running Bitcoin ABC software and Bitcoin SV software. Among other compatible Bitcoin Cash implementations, such as Bitcoin Unlimited. Similarly, data tracking sites like CoinDance also relays information about what nodes are operating on the blockchain. Among other details, the site displays which implementations are being used both as present and historically. All of these platforms will provide useful insights into the Bitcoin Cash debate, both before, during, and after, which, according to some, such as Bitcoin Unlimited chief scientist Peter Rizin, isn't just a technical debate about a political battle. I see this fork more as a social or political battle playing out, but it's distributed as a technical debate. So, family, that was a quick update on what's going on. Craig Wright said he's going to try to destroy Bitcoin. Yeah, I did hear that. I heard a lot of stuff. Better pay attention to what you pay attention to, though. You know what I mean? Let's watch and see what happens. What time is it? 11:15. Okay, I'll probably be coming back live a little later on, probably around 1, 2 o'clock. Where do you see crypto going, up or down? I'm hollering. I'm down a few thousand, and I'm mostly. Brother Medina, you might be new to my channel. The one thing I don't do is hodl. I've never promoted hodling. I'm a trader, so I don't do all that. Let's just buy this and sit on this coin no matter what the price action does. Hell no. Because what happens is, if price action drops, if you're able to set stop limits and get out of the price at a higher percentage, or you know what I'm saying, and it drops a certain percentage, when you re-enter, you're able to accumulate more coins. You're able to accumulate more coins as the price goes down. So for anyone that would have been in USD and PAX and True USD yesterday when the price of Bitcoin was descending, gotta go sell and buy more. No. Hell no. Don't sell now. Don't. If you're down a couple thousand already, bro, I wouldn't honestly. And this is not financial advice. Let me say this right now. I'm not giving any type of financial advice. Just from my opinion, I'm already down a couple thousand. It's a hard. I really can't. Man, it's hard to say. It's hard to say, my brother. I don't know what percentage you're down. What's going on, brother? What coin is Craig? Craig wants the SV, I believe. But he said I don't know. He said he's gonna kill us. So I don't really get it. All food. Okay, all food. Huh? Brother Martinez, there you go. Continues just starting over at zero and trade to make profit. Definitely, I've had to start over a couple of times like that, whereas I'm down. Remember, y'all, don't nobody win all the time in this shit, especially me. I don't win all the time. Now, what I can say is that I haven't, other than the demonstration that I did, where I did it purely as a demonstration, showing people how to use the Bitcoin ATM. I have not put any money in Bitcoin or cryptocurrency since last June or July. I think last July is the last time I actually put my own money in the cryptocurrency. Everything else since that time last year, I've been accumulating and growing. So I wasn't going to the ATM every week, putting money in. You shouldn't have to do that. You should be able to start with one snowball, roll it down a hill, and start an avalanche. Meaning that once you start with one, you go to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to, you know what I mean? You have to learn how to grow your accounts. And it's just as simple. I've said this plenty of time on my show. It's just as simple as counting numbers. Just as simple as counting numbers. Number one, do not follow the herd. Do not follow the herd. Number two, learn charting. Learn TA. You'll be surprised how many people get into this field and only know how to follow the news and only know how to go with what the news says. A huge majority of people, let me show y'all something. A huge majority of people that I've been getting, because for those that don't know, I do consultations. A lot of people I've got, they didn't know what a candlestick was. Would it be a good idea for Brother Michael to vastly diversify and focus on small move gains? But how does he stop more losses in BTC? Okay, see, with him saying he's down a couple thousand, man. Okay, it all depends on how much of a stochastic RSI and the MACD. Right, there you go. And not just those. I'm gonna tell you one of my favorite tools to use is Fibonacci. I'm a Fibonacci master, Fibonacci full Fibonacci addict. I love the way Fibonacci works. Me personally. Let's see. I love how Fibonacci works. It would depend on how much he's down, how much of a hit can he take. You know what I mean? Are you okay with your account going to straight zero? That's another thing. Are you okay with your account? If you're okay with your account going to zero, then I would, if I was okay with, if I put money into my account to where it's okay, if I lose all this, I'm okay with that, then I would be trying to trade and get my gains back up. I would be trying to trade and get my gains back up. For someone that's invested though, long term, and you've been doing nothing but you can afford the loss, my brother. Is that what you're saying? That you can afford the loss that you're taking right now? And I'm gonna tell you something, that comes from good money management. If he's saying that he can afford it, then that means he didn't put anything in there that he wasn't available to lose. Me personally, yes, I may dump as soon as trading regains, and then I may buy back in on the dip. Because one thing I've seen in and out throughout this whole era is, number one, I told y'all before, buy the rumor and sell the news. Classic move. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Classic move. Y'all see what happened with Bitcoin Cash. Everyone was buying it leading up to, and then we came and they dumped it. You know what I mean? Right before. This is what y'all got to understand. You have traders, you got investors, you got tech heads, and you got people that just watch news and really don't know what's going on. Traders, real tool traders, could give two shits about a hard fork, about an extra point, any of that. I know that institutional people are going to be buying in on this token. So what I'm going to do, let's hold on, let's do this. I'm going to show you. Hold on. I'm going to show you what smart money did. Let me show you what smart money did. This is around the time where they first announced about the hard fork. Smart money bought up. Probably stopped about right here, let everybody else run it up. And then smart money started dumping. They don't care about a hard fork. Shit, I just bought in at 450. This shit shot up to 6 on. I'm taking my profit and moving on to the next coin. I don't care about no hard fork and what it might do. I just come back because I'm knowing when it comes in, they're going to dump it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in after everybody dumps it and just buy it up. It's as simple as that. You have to comprehend and be able to maneuver in this system without following what everybody else is doing. I'm with institutional and mass adoption. Oh, it's coming too. It's coming. It's coming. Now let me say this. All year we've had pretty much bullish news. In fact, let me show y'all this. This is what I want to show y'all. I sent it to one of my buddies. You know, now I don't know for y'all that don't know, this is like a social media platform for traders. So I sent this. Let me see. This is my private chat. Oh, no, it's not. These are my private chats. Let me show y'all something that I sent a couple of my buddies. Let me see. Y'all see this? This is the price action of Bitcoin from 2012. That's what we're looking at right now. This is price action of Bitcoin from 2012. It's a hustler's market, whatever is trending type trend. Exactly. This. Look, that's why it was so easy for me. Yeah, all the technology is phenomenal, my brother. The technology and I've often told people, the government, these entities, they could really care less about the coins. It's the technology that what they like. Technology that they worry about. You know what I mean? So when we're looking at this price action right here, I used the pitchfork. We got our touch point. We got our bottom. You see, we had a run up from $3 up to 270 bucks. We dropped back down to $40. You know what type of loss that was, from 270 down to 40 bucks. But we went from about $40 up to 1,050. And then look what happened from 2014. Look what's happening right now. From 2014 all the way up to 2016, we had a bear market. No one remembers this because the majority of people weren't in crypto yet. You see what I'm saying? There's only a select few people that remember all of this price action. Select, not a huge amount. We went through a 2-year bear market. And then look what happened from 2016 leading on up to 2018. We had a bear. We had a bull. Very nice run. Very nice run. You know? But that was what, from 2016 to 2018. So they gave us what? Roughly 2 years of bear, 2 years of bull. Now that we got 2 years of bear coming back, I don't know. We're gonna have to stay within this downslope. In fact, I think we broke out of this already. Damn. When did I send this? This was made. Okay, I made this October 28th, 2018. That's when I made this chart right here. 2018. We already broke out of that. Let me see. That's Bitcoin. That. And for anyone that does want to follow me on TradingView, my name is Crypto Ghost 638. Crypto Ghost 638. Anyone from Chicago, y'all know what that 638 is. But Crypto Ghost 638 is my name on TradingView. You can follow me if you choose to. You know, we can communicate back and forth like I do with a couple of brothers. So, my fault. That's what I was supposed to be looking at. Bitstamp BTC USD. Let's see if I can find that again. Where's that Bitstamp? Here we go. Okay, so now when we look at Bitcoin, this is what I want to show y'all. I'm glad I came over here and did this. So let's look at Bitcoin. This is a monthly chart. Look at this. This is from 2012 leading up to now. Let's see. If we want to pull, let's say we pull our fib. We pull it to the swing high. Look what has happened, people. We came down and hit that 78% retracement, almost flawless. Now we are breaking through it right now. You are breaking through it. You definitely want to be careful. But look at the contact. Look what happened. Okay, we run up, we come down, boom. We met. Let me see. Let me break this down. Okay, so we came down first. Look, 50%. What I tell y'all, that 50%, man, it never fails. We bounced, weren't able to hold, broke all the way down to 61, bounced back up past 68, weren't able to hold that either. And we just started bouncing. And I mean, this is where we lay at now. So this is your price action. This is Bitcoin versus dollar on Bitstamp, a weekly chart. So we're not, I mean, this right here, if I see any other asset doing this, I'd definitely get out the way, number one, because, I mean, you've broken all support levels. Major, your usual retracement levels are between 61 and, what is it? 61 and 38, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, 61 and 38. That's your usual retracement levels. 50% don't even have nothing to do with Fibonacci. Just to be honest with y'all, this has absolutely nothing to do with the Fibonacci ratio. Every other number does, but this one doesn't. This is just showing you where the 50% retracement level may be. That's it. That's all. So, I mean, I'm looking. I mean, I already called 5,500. I've been saying that for a while. My next levels of support are 48, 4,500 with Bitcoin. We're not able to hold where we're at. We can see it drop down to 4,800. Just my opinion. Remember, these are opinions. These are not facts. You don't take what I say as any type of law. None of that. You know what I mean? These are just my opinions. And with that being said, family, it's going on 11:30 now. We've been live for about an hour. I'm gonna go ahead and end this now. I do want to thank any and everybody that did tune in with the Bitcoin Block Bully. For those that are new to the channel, you can follow me on Facebook at Amir Hodari, AmirHodari. You can follow me on Instagram at Chicago_crypto_block_bully. What's the TradingView name? Oh, Chicago. I mean, excuse me, my fault. No, it ain't. Crypto Ghost 638. I'm gonna show you real quick, brother Rashid. This right here is my name, Crypto Ghost. I don't even know if y'all can see this. Crypto Ghost 638, all one word. Crypto Ghost 638. That's my name on TradingView. Let me see. So Chicago Crypto Block Bully. I think that's my name on IG. I think so. Yeah, Chicago Crypto Block Bully. My name's on IG, and on Twitter I am Chicago Crypto 4, no spaces. To the next video, I want to thank everyone that tuned in with me for this early rising show. Peace, power, and prosperity, family. This is Amir, the Chicago Crypto Hustler, signing out. I'm out of here, y'all.